AI video is officially broken. It's almost unbelievable, but Grok has now overtaken Veo 3 and even Sora in video generation. And the most shocking part? It delivers stunning, ultra-high quality videos with sound effects, absolutely free. In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how I create these cinematic AI-generated videos using nothing but my phone. And yes, all of this can be done for zero cost. So once you're on your phone, the very first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store and download the Grok app. If you are using an Apple phone, you can also download this app from the Apple App Store. Now let's open the app. After opening the app, you will see an interface like this. From here, you can sign up using your Google account, email, or even your X account. Once the sign up is completed, we can start using it for free. At the top, you will see two options, Ask and Imagine. Using the Ask option, you can ask Grok any kind of question, similar to ChatGPT. And through the Image option, you can generate videos and images. For the best results, I prefer selecting the Grok 4 Fast model. To create a video, you can directly click on Create Video, and you can also create videos from the Imagine section. After clicking, you will get an interface like this. Here, you can use the pre-made templates and create amazing cinematic videos using your real images. You can also use the templates shown below to make stunning videos. With Type to Imagine, you can also provide your own prompt and generate videos and images even without using templates. First, I'll show you how to create a realistic video using the templates. For example, let's select the first template, Add Girlfriend. I'll upload this image here, and after waiting for a few seconds, the video will be generated. As you can see, the results are amazing. Now let's try the second template. Thumbs up. I'll upload another image, and again, within a few seconds, the video will auto-generate. This time also, the results came out very impressive. Now let's move to the next level. I'm going to show you how to create videos using these incredible cinematic pre-made templates. For now, I'll select this template. Once you select the template, you'll see an interface like this. After clicking on Options, you'll get 4 choices to generate videos. With the Spicy option, you can get NSFW-style results. The Spicy Plus option can generate funny and hilarious results. And with the Normal option, Grok will simply animate your video. Apart from that, there is also a Remix option, which lets you add your own realistic character into any scene. Let me show you live. After clicking Remix, simply upload your image, and the video will automatically start generating. The results are absolutely shocking. The exact same warriors from the template are now visible outside the window, but now with me in that scene. So you can also insert yourself into any scene with your real image. Pretty cool, right? So go try this out for free and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss future amazing AI tools tutorials. See you in the next video.